Hello, my name is Molly, and I'm the Managing Director of Student Legal Services at The Ohio State University, or SLS for short. Welcome to Ohio State. I'm excited to tell you about SLS. We are the lawyers for Ohio State students. Ohio State specifically contracts with Student Legal Services to provide legal advice, representation, education, and resources to Ohio State students. In fact, each year we help thousands of Ohio State students just like you. SLS employs 10 full-time licensed attorneys. That's us pictured here. We cover the legal issues that students typically face, including criminal misdemeanors and traffic citations, off-campus housing, credit, debt, identity theft, consumer, contracts, employment, insurance, victim assistance, immigration, notary, and much more. We are a full-service law firm. For a comprehensive list of issues covered, visit our website at studentlegal.osu.edu. I'd like to highlight a really important service we offer students: drafting the legal documents you need now that you're an adult according to the law. Parents, listen up because you'll want to hear this too. We encourage all students to draft a healthcare power of attorney. This is a legal document naming someone to make medical decisions for you if you cannot make those decisions for yourself. You may also consider getting a financial power of attorney, which would allow someone to make financial decisions on your behalf. During orientation, you may also hear about a declaration for mental health treatment. We can help you understand the declaration and draft this document for you too. It is important, once you turn 18, to have your healthcare power of attorney and other legal decisions in writing. You're an adult now. SLS will draft these documents for students. You can get a head start before school even starts. Visit our website to schedule your phone appointment. You'll talk to one of our SLS attorneys about the documents. We'll then draft the documents and email them to you for review. Then, we will either schedule for you to sign the documents in our office or provide instructions for you to have them notarized elsewhere. Parents, you can join that initial phone appointment if you'd like, but you do not need to be there for the signing. We hope you do not find yourself in this situation, but many Ohio State students need student legal services to defend them for criminal misdemeanor charges and traffic citations. The types of charges may include underage alcohol, fake ID, public intoxication, car accidents, or operating a vehicle impaired, among other charges. If you are charged, you'll want Student Legal Services' experienced criminal defense team by your side through the court process. Don't be fooled by private attorneys who will pressure you to pay thousands of dollars to hire them. It is a waste of your money. We represent students in Franklin County courts every day, and our criminal defense team has represented thousands of Ohio State students with criminal and traffic charges and helping them expunge those charges. Student Legal Services knows Ohio State students. We also know the consequences for your future that a criminal charge can cause and what is at stake with your education. That's why we also provide advice about the university's student conduct process. SLS is here to help. We also have reciprocity with other student legal services offices at Kent State, Bowling Green, Wright State, Toledo, and Ohio University, meaning that if you are eligible for services at Ohio State, you're generally eligible for services at those schools as well. Next year, when you're planning to move off campus for your junior year, you'll schedule an appointment for a lease review so that a SLS attorney can explain your rights and responsibilities under Ohio law. Parents can be conferenced in by phone on those lease reviews. Finally, there may be times while you're at Ohio State and you encounter issues and you just do not know where to turn. Or you may not know if your issue is even a legal issue. If you need some help, please call or text us at 614-247-5853. We'll let you know if we cover your issue, and if not, we'll point you in the right direction to another resource. We're here to help. We are the lawyers for Ohio State students. So remember, you can schedule an appointment now before the semester begins to speak to an SLS attorney about drafting your healthcare power of attorney and other important documents. Don't worry, you can still schedule during the year, but it's easier to get it out of the way in the summer. Have questions about your coverage or our services? Feel free to call, text, or email us. And don't be a stranger. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Ohio State Lawyers for more tips and information, and a little humor every now and again. Have a great summer and go Bucks.